talk real quick about this cordless vacuum cleaner. I love this vacuum so much, it's so easy to use. First and foremost, a big proponent of a good quality about this vacuum is the length of the arm is adjustable for shorter or taller people or getting into smaller crevices, as well as, of course, the bottom attachment. It comes with the rolling head, but you can always press the button, take that off, and change it out with the other rolling heads, change it out with the other heads, the long arm attachment to get it like in crevices and creases, as well as the brush attachment. Dumping the canister out is super easy. All you're gonna do is press this button, it releases this lid, and you dump it out. Obviously, I'm not gonna do that right now because I'm not by a trash can. Powering the vacuum is easy. You just have the power button on, and then the plus and minus to adjust the suction power. Let me show you the demonstration. You can use this on carpet, which I'm doing. It's super quiet. I love the suction power on it. Like I said, you're able to change the speed of the brush roller as well as the suction power. Here's the mounting dock where you can mount the other attachments, the brush head there, and then the crevice tool to get into small spaces. You're just gonna lift up, set that on there, just like that, and then take the cord, plug it in like that, and it shows that it's charging, and it'll let you know when it's full.